Hello guys, this is Bushra from Bushras Lifestyle. Um, Today I encouraged myself that I am going to come in front of the camera as opposed to just showing halfway. I'm still like still nervous and not having my eyes exactly on the camera, but today's video is I'm going to show you some essential for traveling, and they are from Dollar Tree. We are taking the kids to Disneyland. Hope I stop this and by the way, thank you so much for watching my channel. Within 2 weeks I have so many views. For newbie, they're a lot to me. Whatever I have, I wasn't expecting a single view as opposed to hundreds of. So thank you so much for that. If you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe to my channel. And right now you might hear a little noise in the background with my kids or my cat or so and so forth. So let's start why this the whole video is. As I said, we're taking the kids to Disneyland, and I'm gonna give you a quick tip for packing clothing. But I buy these bags for any types of packing, these jumbo size short fresh bags, and these are for the children clothing, the kids clothes. When I pack, I use these, and I show you how I pack them. So if they are fancy, the both girls clothes I keep together. These are the fancy clothes, fancy dresses for my girls. And we're going for 10 days, so it's going to be a lot of clothes. These will absolutely keep them nice and neat in the suitcase. So these bags will host two matching dress for the girls, because if I don't buy matching, it's a big reason of fight. So I always buy their clothes regular. And then I'll show you. So same with the PJs. All the PJs will go to these big bags, okay? And the single individual, which I another one I bought, this a hefty storage. So I don't order those Amazon travel bags. I don't know, I have not tried them. I feel like these are easy, and they are like they're cheap. Like I bought these two and these two, so $4, and my packing will be really good. My suitcase will be very neat. I go to Pakistan, and my sister-in-laws always say that you do the best packing. Like everything you can see what is in there. I grew up very organized little girl. Um, and this is what I am teaching all on my blog, but I was not that big on a budget because I was able to afford everything. When I moved here and married, it was then I learned that without budgeting you can't get anywhere else. You cannot get the financial liberty you wanted to get in life. So that's how I started the blog, where I show thoughtful resources for home affordable homemaking. And travel essential is a part of your budget as well. Like trying to spend minimum money, whatever you want to do. Find upcycling or repurposing, like the ways that you could do upcycle or repurpose things. So like these are grocery bags, so you can totally put your clothes on. So these small bags here, I will put I pack this outfit. It's very easy. The bag is and the pants are inside of it, and then I will write here whatever days she's going to put this on. So that's the clothing. Then the second thing I bought, these little bottles, and I am not going to use their three for April bath and shower from Dollar Tree. My second daughter have Down syndrome, and we use olive oil for her. So those I will put olive oil, some lotion, and something, because you don't really need shampoo, etc. We rented the hotel or like a um, condo, they do provide you these things there, because I have an experience. Before, I was taking stuff with us when we used to take vacation, but then I thought those are useless to take with. Okay, and then other tip I am going to give you: if you have children and you are driving and the driving is more than 12 hours, even more than 6 hours, try not to use any laptop or any device in the car with the kids or for the kids. This is the rule I have developed with my family, with my children, that I do not like to give them um, laptop or iPad or anything else while driving, because their eyes are going to mess up. So they will play games like this. They will write the words, and there are different words game. We have decided what they're gonna play in the car. These are very handy, and they're also handy. My younger two, they write their names, so I always practice in these, but they wanted to buy the new one, and here we go. Okay, so then I bought for their crayons. I bought this little caddy, and we will fill that, and it's good to go. Another thing I tell ya, I last time have couple of them I purchased, and they are so good to not to have mess in the car. You keep those juice packs here small, and the little snacks, and give the caddy to each kid. Honestly, it reduces the mess in the car. Our car gets very messy very fast. Another thing I wanted to tell you, that in Disneyland, the inside they do not allow you to bring glass container. You can take the food. So I bought these fresh food containers. They are like reusable, but if we don't want to bring in back and recycle them there, we're all good for that, because they're only $2. So we will take our food in them. We're gonna leave early, so we'll fill at night, put them in the fridge, and then in the morning we'll eat in the car. These three are for the kids, because it's easy to give them back in the car when their snacks are in there, and there will be 3 packet, and they will just eat in they will take it, and while they're in the car seats. Another thing I bought for myself, for my little makeup, this little pouch. It's so good. I don't really use much makeup, but I do use foundation, any darkish color lipstick, and a little brown bronze like blush on, which I mostly use for my eyes as well, and sometimes pencil on my or that mascara type or powder for my eyebrows. Otherwise, not really. I don't use makeup. Today, actually, at work, I was putting makeup on, and every single person was asking me, "Oh, are you going somewhere else? Are you going somewhere else?" I'm like, "Well, I can't put a makeup on." So, but I work with nice people here. And another thing, these are lifesaver. They are so good to your for your skin, and they are only for $1. You can't beat these. You do know that these facial cleaning wipes are expensive. Then I also keep Kleenex always in my bag. So you know what, on Dollar Tree this is expensive for $1, but I wasn't going to go Walmart, because Walmart has a 79 cents. But then if I would have gone to Walmart, I would have bought 10 other things, so it's still cheaper for me, and no mess in the car. And this is, they practice their math, so we're taking it well. I will write their practice sheets, and they will write over it and erase it. So I think this is total. I spent 11 or $13 total on my stuff, but they are these little things makes life easy. When I will pack my suitcase, I will show you guys how I do it, and it's very easy, especially if you are flying somewhere else. At the airport it becomes very easy. Sometimes security has to open that up. You will see that you have everything there, and their clear bags. Always use clear bags, clear bins. I'm not that big on label making or labels. If I don't if they're clear, I can see it. I don't put labels on. Sometimes I do for the kids. My oldest one is she always wanted to read, so I just put the words there. And the youngest kid, I put just the letters, so they could copy her sister that they are reading to. Again, thank you so much, and I'm kind of slurring. I don't know why, but I am. Uh, I'm still getting encouragement to come in front of the camera. Excuse me if like anything I you don't understand, just leave me a comment below. And thank you so much again. Please subscribe to my channel, and let me know that um, if you have any question, any I'll be happy to answer. um, and I will show you when I pack the suitcase. Subscribe it and let me know what kind of tutorial you would like to see. The whole blog and the YouTube channel is to teach you that you can get tons of financial liberty by living a really good life. You're not going to struggle paycheck to paycheck. You will live a good life as well, but you save money with that, and be able to afford vacation and spend time with the family. Today one of my patients said that I was talking to her, and she's kind of regular patient, and she says one thing to me. She said, "What's your plans?" And I said, we're taking the it was an in fact interpreter, not wasn't my patient, but interpreter of the for the patient. So she said one thing, and she's super nice woman, and she said that I was asking her what your plans are, and she saw me. She's like, "Oh, I'm so happy to see you," so which makes me super happy. By the way, I work as a sonographer, and she said, you know, the time spent with the children or family is the time you always remember. You never remember cleaning, you never remember organizing, because she knows that I organize and I'm a really clean person. um, so she was encouraging me that spend more time with your kids, and she said don't think of work one bit, which I am trying not to think. I am not going to think of work. I'm going to totally enjoy the vacation, although it's going to be tiring, but it's lovely. And that's true. I still miss my dad. My dad left us in a very young age. May his soul rest in peace. And some days it makes me cry. So, yeah. Wow, I don't want to make you guys cry. So, um, thank you so much for those who have subscribed me. Thank you so much for those who have who watch my videos. It really means a lot to me. For within 2 weeks getting like, sometimes people don't get 5 views, and I got like 350 views, so it's a lot for me. So thanks for that, and have a wonderful day.